Welcome back, guys. If you want to fix Oopbuy app not working, so you can get that kinds of problem when you use Oopbuy, but whenever you're trying to enter to your application, but you cannot. So if you have that kinds of problem, how can you fix? So I will show several methods to solve the kinds of problem. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to your internet connection. So you need to check your Wi-Fi connection is stable or not. So you can check on your phone easily. And if your internet connection is sure, what thing you need to do is go ahead to check your version is up-to-date versions or not. You can also check from the setting here and try to check your version is the later versions or not. So if your version is the old version, you can also face that kinds of problem as well. So just try to check from here. So this is your Apple version and you can check you already on the latest version. So if you see your version is not the latest version, you need to update your version first. And you when you already update your version, but you still face that kind of problem. So you need to clear your cache. Because in some case, when you use a loss on your a loss of storage on your Oopbuy, you can also face that kinds of problem. Your app not working, so stuck on some stuff. So you can also face that kinds of problem like this. So try to go ahead to clear cache here. And are you sure you want to clear the cache? And also the data on your Oopbuy will be clear. And let's go back again to your Oopbuy applications and you can check your application is now able to use. So you can use this method if you face your Oopbuy app not working. So when you try, although you try all these methods, but if you still have the problem, I recommend you to restart your phone and reinstall your Oopbuy application on your phone. So just uninstall and then go ahead to reinstall your applications and you can fit easily. So that's how to fit Oopbuy not working, girls. Make sure to try all these methods until you get back. So that's all for today. Thank you so much and see you back.